To Wednesday Finance now, and new data has confirmed confidence in the property market is crumbling amid constant talk of rate hikes. Business reporter Chris Kohler has more.
Bank interest rate hikes are coming thick and fast, and homeowners are clearly becoming stressed. This graph from Westpac today shows how mortgage holders are feeling. Last month, their confidence levels collapsed by 9%. And this graph shows whether people think now is a good time to buy a property. It is a resounding no. In fact, buyers haven't been this spooked since the GFC. Those charts help explain why property prices are now expected to fall. Elsewhere today, the share market did tick higher, Rio Tinto particularly strong, while construction material stocks fell and travel companies climbed. And the Australian dollar was mixed. It's buying 74 US cents and 68 euro cents, and it's also at its highest level against the Kiwi in a year.
Thank you, Chris. And with the holiday forecast, here's Jessica.
Thanks, Brenton. Now, firstly, I would like it noted that our tray of Easter treats here at Bakery on O'Connell remains intact. I have resisted the urge to tuck into anything in between the live crosses. That was tricky. And today, well, it was very sweet weather as well across town, wasn't it? We had that top of almost 28 degrees, and even now it's still really pleasant outside, sitting around that 23-degree mark. Across the suburbs, well, clear skies, barely even a cloud in the sky for many Adelaide suburbs today. We saw temperatures lifting pretty hot, 29 degrees at Mawson Lakes, hot for this time of year, that's for sure. But at Glenelg it was 24. Out west we have had those storms and the winds coming in around Ceduna, and some hot temperatures getting up close to 40 degrees around Oodnadatta, low 30s through the Flinders. It was a shivery start under those clear skies at Coonawarra and Naracoorte this morning, with just 1 degree there, but we did end up reaching the 20s through the southeast this afternoon. Now, that trough over by our western border has been bringing really heavy rain on the other side of the border in WA, but on our side it's less intense. And for Adelaide, the main thing is just that high pressure system, which is warming things up over Easter. If you're travelling ahead of Easter, well, interstate Melbourne's looking at a dry 25 degrees tomorrow, and Sydney a showery 23. Once again, we're watching for possibly gusty thunderstorms around the west coast tomorrow, but there's less in it as we move east, so just a slight chance of showers for Port Pirie and for Clare. Port Lincoln could get a decent drink out of it though, maybe even a storm there with 24. And Kingscote may be just on the edge of that weather, so looking more so cloudy than anything else with 25. Looking pretty calm on local waters tomorrow. Northeasterlies around 10 knots, becoming variable in the middle of the day. And it is another warm one for Adelaide tomorrow. The only difference is maybe a little bit more cloud around, but still hot, 29 degrees for Elizabeth and 28 for Marion. In the city, we're also going for 28 degrees with a warmer overnight low of around 17 degrees. And of course, the all-important Easter forecast for you. Now, staying warm, we're looking at 28 degrees for you for your Good Friday, up to 30 degrees on Easter Saturday, and even into the low 30s, 31 degrees through the northern suburbs. Pegging back a touch for Easter Sunday to 27 degrees, and then maybe some showers with milder conditions on Monday. But Brenton, I think I can see you eyeing off the Easter egg cronut over there. I don't know, would you swap the humble hot cross bun for a cronut this year?
Oh, always a hot cross bun, and I tell you, with a forecast like that, they really will be hot cross buns. Thank you, Jessica. That is the Midweek Bulletin here on 9. Thanks for joining us. More from the team a little later, but stay with us now for a current affair. Enjoy your night.